Welcome to our channel. Today, we continue our journey through Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. If you missed the previous video on chapters 35 and 36, be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive back into 19th century England and high society. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Chapter 37 focuses on the visit of Lady Catherine de Bourgh to the Bennet household. Lady Catherine is Darcy's aunt and has taken it upon herself to visit Elizabeth and express her concerns about Elizabeth's relationship with Darcy. She believes the two are engaged and warns Elizabeth against accepting marriage proposals from Darcy. Lady Catherine is a proud and haughty woman, and Elizabeth is intimidated by her. She lectures Elizabeth on the impropriety of her relationship with Darcy and insists that she must never accept his proposal. However, Elizabeth remains firm in her resolve and does not give in to Lady Catherine's demands. Despite her fear and discomfort, Elizabeth stands up to Lady Catherine and tells her she cannot control whom she chooses to marry. She also asserts that her relationship with Darcy is not of Lady Catherine's concern. Elizabeth's defiance takes them aback. Lady Catherine leaves the Bennet household. This chapter highlights the differences between Elizabeth's and Lady Catherine's personalities and Elizabeth's growing confidence in her feelings and decisions. Lady Catherine's visit underscores the social and cultural differences between the upper and lower classes and the ongoing tensions between Elizabeth and Darcy's families. In Chapter 38, Lady Catherine revisits Longbourn to confront Elizabeth about her relationship with Mr. Darcy. She is determined to prove that Darcy and Elizabeth's relationship is improper and cannot continue. Lady Catherine delivers a long lecture criticizing Elizabeth's social status and arguing that Darcy is reserved for her daughter. Lady Catherine warns Elizabeth to stay away from Darcy, but Elizabeth is not intimidated. Instead, she stands up for herself and refutes Lady Catherine's arguments, pointing out that she is not beholden to Lady Catherine's commands. Lady Catherine is shocked and angry by Elizabeth's defiance, but eventually, she is forced to leave. Elizabeth's steadfastness and courage in the face of Lady Catherine's interference strengthen Darcy's admiration for her, and they both begin to see each other in a new light. In Chapter 39, Elizabeth reflects on the recent events in her life. She thinks about Lady Catherine's visit and how she was determined to ruin Elizabeth's chances of marrying Mr. Darcy. Elizabeth realizes that Lady Catherine's visit is a testament to Darcy's love for her, as Lady Catherine would not have gone to such lengths to stop the marriage if she was not a significant obstacle. Elizabeth also thinks about Darcy's proposal and why she initially rejected him. She doubts his character but realizes that she may have misjudged him. Elizabeth is conflicted and confused but knows she has developed feelings for Darcy. Thank you for joining us for this summary of Pride and Prejudice, chapters 37, 38 and 39. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this beloved classic. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, and if you need a copy of the book, check the link in the description. Get ready to fall in love with Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy all over again. See you in our next video.